What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Horizon Decades Season 2 has just begun, and in this video I'll show you how to complete the brand new summer season completely. Starting off with the weekly challenge. For this you'll need to do a couple of things inside the 1982 DeLorean DMC-12, which if you're wondering where to get it, it can be purchased from the auction house, which is good. So you're able to find it under cars, followed by buy new and used, where you can get it in the auto show under DeLorean as the only DeLorean in the game, DMC-12 1982. You can pick it up for a cool 68k or 72k. Once you've purchased it, soup it up, for which I'll be using probably the first tune here, bringing it up to S2, making life a bit easier. Once you drive it, the next stage is to maintain the speed of 142 kilometers an hour or above for 10 seconds, for which the easiest place is likely going to be a drag strip. The longest one is likely going to be right in the center of the map, near the main Horizon Festival, so I'll teleport somewhere here, and we should be able to send it down here, followed by hitting the ramp at the very end. So here we come, 140, and now we just need to hold it here for the next 10 seconds, which should be pretty easy, and there you go. The second part is complete right as you finish that drag strip. Now we'll need to take a picture of it drifting, so plonk yourself down somewhere, start a drift just by sending it to the side, and you should be able to take a picture of it relatively easily, ticking off that objective. By default, on an Xbox controller, it's D-pad up. Finally, we'll need to win a race using the 1982 DeLorean. Pretty simple. Head across to the world map, choose a nice short race. For the fun of it, I'll do this one here. I'll teleport to it, and instead of finding a compatible race, just head across to literally any, open it up, then head across to custom race, car theme, choose whatever it's set to by default when you open it up, as that should be the correct class, choose the question mark, and you're able to confirm solo using your current vehicle. Once you complete this race, it should be ticked off and you'll be done with this section. Just keep in mind you will have to win. Once you're done with that, you've ticked off the weekly challenge completely, and of course, as we took a photo of our DMC, we ticked off part of the weekly challenge, but we also took a picture completing the photo challenge, making this quite a bit easier. So we did 2 for 1 there, and now we can proceed to the rest. I'll skip over the treasure hunt for now, and we'll touch on these seasonal events here, for which there's 2 races this time instead of 3. The seasonal championship requires us to use a C500 1980 retro super saloon car, and the seasonal championship What's the Hatch requires you to use a D400 1980s retro hot hatch. Then for the 3 other general events, the drag meet, you'll need to complete in a 1980 B600, a speed zone as well, and finally the trailblazer in the same car. Once you finish that, there's more seasonal online events this time. First of all, the trial, push to the limit. This rewards you with a legendary Audi S1. This trial does require you and a group of randoms from online to win a couple of rounds of an event, and if we view eligible cars, you'll see what we can use for it. I'd highly recommend purchasing one of these and upgrading it to make life a lot easier. I'll buy the 1984 Opel, but you can use any of these here, and you can upgrade it as you see fit, though just keep in mind you'll need to keep it in the B class. So for 144 grand we can get it, then we can further upgrade it. I'll choose tunings, and as long as we're still within the B class, it should be fine. I'll take probably the second one here, but I'm sure you can find more finely tuned ones. So for another 30 grand, the trial should be a whole lot easier, at least for you. As this race does require a couple of people to finish in relatively good spots, you might be stuck doing it more than once. Then we've got a Togue Showdown, My Little Pony, which you need to complete in any Mustang, and finally Hide and Seek, 5 versus 1. Then the series events, we've got monthly rivals, where we'll need to post a clean lap in order to complete this, which should tick it off for every week thereafter. Now finally for the treasure hunt, this one's pretty easy. The location is pretty simple. Head across to your world map, and all you need to do is head all the way down to the far south side of this map, down here, zooming into this section. Over here, you should find on the shoreline what we're looking for. So we'll teleport somewhere here, then we can drive down to the beach and head along the shoreline just a bit up north here, and eventually you'll come across this, which is what we're looking for. Simply just driving through it should complete this challenge, but there you go. And once you've grabbed it, you're now successfully done with this, leaving the last few items in this playlist to do pretty easily. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.